Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm here to show you how to set up a healthier and more productive workspace, whether at home or in the office. What's the advantage of a SitStand desk? It's an adjustable desk that allows you to customize your desk height, whether you're sitting or standing, to optimize your comfort and productivity throughout the day. When using a standing workstation, adjust the surface level with your elbow height. Perfect. When sitting, the same rule applies. Remember to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Ideally, you should limit standing to 20 to 30 minutes at a time and no more than 4 hours per day. Remember to wear supportive shoes. While sitting should be limited to 30 to 60 minutes at a time and no more than 6 hours per day. What's the best chair? It depends on your needs. Whatever you choose, the first step to an ergonomic workstation is adjusting your chair. Start by raising or lowering the height of the seat pan so your elbows are bent to 90 degrees when your hands are on your keyboard. Then, adjust the depth of the seat pan so it supports the full length of your thighs and leaves 2 inches of space between the back of your knees and the front edge of the seat. The correct seated height may mean your feet are not firmly supported. Use a footrest to position your thighs so they're parallel with the floor. Next, adjust the backrest so that the lumbar support fits into the deepest part of your low back curve. Finally, position the armrest just below your seated elbow height so that you can move your arms freely. This looks great. Don't forget to consult your chair's product guide for the remaining features that you can fine-tune for optimal comfort. What do you need to be set up for success? First, adjust the height of your desk and chair, or use a keyboard tray to ensure that your keyboarding and mousing surface are level with your elbow height. Then, place your monitor directly in front of you, approximately at arm's length. The top of the monitor should be at eye level. For laptops, use a riser to raise the height of the screen. If you wear a progressive lens and use the bottom of your lens to view the screen, you'll need to lower your monitor to ensure you can read the entire screen without tipping your head back. Now center your keyboard in front of you close to your body, with the letter N in line with your nose. If you are working from a laptop for prolonged periods, always use an external keyboard and full-sized mouse that fits your hand. As a last tip, don't forget to pull the mouse in close to avoid reaching. The last thing you want is a sore shoulder or neck. When working with 2 monitors, let's talk about where to put all that tech. First, decide whether you use your monitors equally or one more than the other. In the case of equal use, center the monitors to your body with each angled in slightly. If you use one screen as your primary monitor, center it on your desk with the top of the screen at eye level. Then place your secondary monitor immediately adjacent. The middle of both screens should be on the same level at the same viewing height and distance. Now you're set up for better and more ergonomic workdays.